Alright, what I have here, guys, is some screen mesh metal for the grill here. To kind of cover this up, these are actually solid metal that have been welded and all that. They're actually super strong and nice. I was surprised. But yeah, basically go in there like that. The only thing you got to do is you screw these little studs in and like mark where the studs are going to be. Drill you some holes, and then with this supplied brackets and stuff, you're going to stick those on the back. So that's all there is to it here. So 3 and 3. So let me get this little cover off right here so we can access in there, and we will see how she looks. Chose to use this tool here to get these out. Seems to help a whole lot better. Once you get them all out, this thing just kind of goes a little bit aft, kind of working around the screws here. And if I can get it around this with one hand, slides right out. And then now you can kind of access up in there. Alright, so basically I kind of cleaned this out, drilled it right there, and got a hole right there. So with these 3 studs, kind of work that one in, the middle one in, and this one here, until you got it in there about as flush as she'll get. I noticed it sticks out just a little bit though. Alright, so this side, of course, will be a little bit harder. I kind of ran into this little intake piece, and this is down here at the bottom, and then you got this one on the side right here. So this side was a little bit more difficult than I think this side will be, because there's nothing behind this one. But that's basically how she looked. She doesn't sit all the way flush, but pretty close. So let me get the other side bolt screwed in here, and then we'll take a look.